If you want to check out the previous 5 questions, you can check the link in the I button or the links given in the description box for the previous videos. So let's start the 6th question. In this question there are basically 3 parts. In the first part we have to construct the triangle. So draw BC equal to 8 cm and construct the perpendicular at B point. Now with center B and radius AB equal to 6 cm, cut an arc intersecting this ray at A. Joining it, we get the triangle ABC. To draw the perpendicular from B on AC, take B as center and open your compass towards AC so that it crosses AC. Taking this as radius, we'll draw an arc starting from one point on AC and ending on another point on AC. Then with radius more than half of this arc and one by one taking endpoints of this arc as the centers, we'll draw 2 arcs in front of this arc to intersect at a point. Join the point B to this intersection but draw it only till it meets the side AC at point D. In the second part of the answer, we have to draw a circle passing through B, C and D. Normally we find out the circumcenter of a triangle by drawing 2 perpendicular bisectors. But here BDC is a right triangle, and in a right triangle the circumcenter lies at the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So we will draw the perpendicular bisector of BC to locate the center of the circle. So O is the circumcenter. Now with center O and radius OB or OC, we'll draw a circle passing through B, C and D. In the last part of the answer, we have to draw tangents from A point to the circle. So the same steps which we were doing earlier will be followed here. So first join OA and draw its perpendicular bisector. Name the point of intersection of OA and the perpendicular bisector as E. Taking it as center and radius AE or OE, draw a circle intersecting the first circle at points B and F. Children, you can observe that AB is already joined in the figure, so we just have to join AF, and so AB and AF are the required tangents. Clearly, AB is perpendicular to the radius through point B. Hope all the steps are clear to you. In our next question, we have a circle made out of a bangle and we don't know its center. In order to draw the tangents from any point outside the circle, we have to join the point to the center. So to locate the center of the circle, we will draw 2 chords of the circle and then construct their perpendicular bisectors. The point where the perpendicular bisectors are intersecting is the center of the circle. So we get the center O this way. The remaining steps are same as in question number 1. We have to join O to P and draw its perpendicular bisector intersecting it at point Q. Then with point Q as center and radius OQ or OP, we will draw a circle which will intersect the given circle at points M and N. Joining M and N to P, we get the 2 tangents MP and NP. That was all in this video. We'll meet again with some other topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.